Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about fuel injector, their leaking, causes, indication and what actions we need to take. Okay, let's move on to topic in detail. Fuel injector, their leaking causes and indication. Because of the repeated operation, that leads to weakening of spring, erosion and enlarging of and atomization hole, wear of needle and nozzle seats, etc. may cause fuel valve leaky and may require immediate overhaul. So due to repeated operation, it will lead to spring get weakened, then erosion, enlarging of atomization hole, wear of needle, then nozzle seats, etc. getting wear. Then this causes fuel valve leaky and requires immediate overhaul. The main causes we can say leakage from nozzle. The leakage from nozzle can be caused by excessive needle valve hammering. Due to excessive needle valve hammering, due to excessive time in service, excessive needle lift or spring force. Okay, from the nozzle we can say it is mainly caused by excessive needle valve hammering due to excessive time in service, excessive needle lift or spring force. Then weak spring. The weak spring means are usually metal fatigue due to excessive number of operation. Weak spring means metal fatigue due to excessive number of operation. Slack needle means usually because of poor filtration of fuel causing wear between needle and body. Slack needle means because of poor filtration of fuel causing wear between needle and body. Then overheating or undercooling. Overheating or undercooling means if cooling of injector is reduced. If cooling is reduced either by fuel valve cooling or system or poor heat transfer of cylinder head, then working temperature of injector will rise. Overheating or undercooling means if cooling of injector is reduced either by fuel valve cooling system or poor heat transfer of cylinder head, then working temperature of injector will rise. This can cause softening of needle and seat, which increase possibility of nozzle leakage. Softening of needle and seat, which will increase the possibility of nozzle leakage. Then fuel to expand or boil out of fuel sac. This will lead to carbon trumpet formation and increased level of HC, that is hydrocarbon, and smoke in exhaust gas. Then fuel to expand and boil out of fuel sac leading to carbon trumpet formation, then leads to increased level of hydrocarbon formation and smoke in exhaust gas. Overpenetration means if there is overpenetration, this cause prolonged low power operation. Overpenetration, this can be caused by prolonged low power operation. Then poor atomization. Poor atomization, this can be caused by low injection pressure, that is fuel pump wear, high fuel viscosity, nozzle hole obstruction such as carbon trumpets. Poor atomization, that can be caused by low injection pressure, that is mainly fuel pump wear, high fuel viscosity, nozzle hole obstruction such as carbon trumpets and all. Poor penetration can be caused by reduced injection pressure, nozzle hole blockage such as trumpets or sac deposit. Poor penetration can be caused by reduced injection pressure, nozzle hole blockage such as trumpets or sac deposit. Because of the repeat operation leads to weakening of spring, erosion and enlargement of atomization hole, wear of needle, etc. Due to this, fuel valve getting leaky and which required immediate overhaul. We understand that. Due to repeated operation, the spring get weakened, then erosion will be there, enlargement of atomization hole, wear in the needle and nozzle. So all this leads to fuel valve get faulty or leaky, which will require immediately overhaul. So how do you find fuel valve require immediately overhaul? Let's see, find out what are the indications to find out fuel valve require immediate overhaul. There will be drop in power, will be the first indication. First indication will be the power will get reduced, drop in power. Then darken exhaust from the tunnel, indicate improper combustion. From the funnel, if you see darken exhaust, then we can say it indicates improper combustion. Then high exhaust temperature compared to other unit. High exhaust temperature will be high when compared to other unit. Then spark in the exhaust tunnel. In the exhaust tunnel there will be spark. Then RPM there will be fluctuation and jacket cooling water temperature will rise. These are the indications. That means fuel valve require immediate overhaul. Means first will be drop in power. We can say first means speed will get reduced. That is drop in power. Then darken exhaust from that funnel indicates improper combustion. High exhaust temperature compared to other unit. Spark in the exhaust tunnel. Then RPM will fluctuate. Then jacket cooling water temperature will rise. So what is the action we need to take is, if you suspect a fuel injector is leaky, you can confirm it by taking the draw card, which will show the fault in the fuel injection. If it is confirmed from the draw card, change the fuel injector or overhaul it. If the excessive leakage in emergency, reduce load and cut off that particular unit. Okay. If you suspect a particular fuel injector is leaky, strike out the draw card. And if it shows it is fault, if it is found that there is a fault in the fuel injection, then it is confirmed. Then change in fuel injector or overhaul it. If it is excessive leak, then in emergency, reduce the load and cut off that particular unit. Thank you.